The seventh portion, or a step in a divorce action, or in their life cycle, so to speak, would be the pretrial. Pretrial is essentially the last step before you have a trial. It's the last coming before a judge to explain if there's anything else that needs to be done, if a guardian ad litem needs more time, if discovery needs to be completed, or if there are other issues that need to be brought before the judge's attention. Usually the judge will make a ruling in regards to those issues and either set it for trial or allow for that extra time, or enforce the discovery or something else. Usually that discovery or that extra amount of time that a party needs or extra amount of time that a guardian ad litem needs will be accompanied by an explanation of why that's needed, of when it was requested, or if why this extra time is necessary for that guardian ad litem to make a report or for the preparation of the case. And the last portion, or the last step in the life cycle of a divorce, would be your trial. Now, once you make it to a trial, this typically means that any type of settlement or attempts for a settlement have been unsuccessful, or at least unsuccessful in part. For example, you could have a party that actually agreed to certain parts. Say they agreed to the visitation schedule, but not as to custody. This would still be going before the judge on a custody determination instead of a custody and visitation and child support and everything else. But if it only agreed to in part, it would still go before the judge on a trial. Now, when it comes to the trial on the merits, this is when you would have your witnesses, your evidence, your presentation before the judge. You'd be able to argue your certain arguments that you want to make on why you're requesting things. If you're arguing for alimony, you'd be able to express why you're arguing for alimony. If you're arguing for a certain custody determination, you'd be able to present why you're arguing for that particular custody determination. But this is where the determination comes to the judge's hands. The judge can make the determination.